Welcome to my valuable rare coins channel. Today, we're uncovering the fascinating story of the 1986p Liberty quarter dollar coin. This is not just any ordinary coin you might find in your pocket change. It's a piece of history, a symbol of craftsmanship, and, for some lucky collectors, a life-changing discovery. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of numismatics, where a single coin can tell a story worth far more than its face value. First, let's talk about what makes this coin so special. The 1986p Liberty quarter dollar was minted in Philadelphia, one of the most historic mints in the United States. The P mint mark, located just below the wreath on the reverse side, is what signifies that this coin was crafted in the city of brotherly love. Philadelphia's mint has a long-standing reputation for producing some of the finest coins in American history, and this quarter is no exception. Now, let's take a closer look at the coin itself. The obverse, or the front, features the iconic profile of George Washington. This design has been a staple of the quarter since 1932, created to honor the father of our nation. Pay attention to the intricate details, Washington's hair, the contours of his face, and even the subtle texture of the coin. These small details are part of what makes this coin so cherished among collectors. The reverse, or the back, showcases a majestic eagle with its wings spread wide, clutching arrows and an olive branch. This imagery represents strength, peace, and the enduring spirit of the United States. But beyond its symbolism, this design is a testament to the artistry and precision of the minting process. What about its value? After all, this is what many collectors are most curious about. At first glance, the 1986p Liberty quarter dollar might seem like an ordinary 25-cent coin, but appearances can be deceiving. Its true worth depends on a variety of factors, including its condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. Coins that are in pristine, uncirculated condition are often the most sought after. These are the coins that have never been used in everyday transactions, preserving their original luster and detail. Collectors often refer to the grading system to assess a coin's condition, ranging from poor to perfect uncirculated. The higher the grade, the more valuable the coin. What makes the 1986p Liberty quarter dollar particularly intriguing is its scarcity in certain conditions. While millions were minted, only a small fraction remain in exceptional condition today. And those few can fetch a jaw-dropping price, but here's where things get really exciting. Are you ready for this? Some versions of the 1986p Liberty quarter dollar have sold for an astonishing $70,000. That's right, $70,000 for a single coin. So, why is this coin worth so much? It often comes down to rarity and demand. Coins with unique errors, such as double dies or off-center strikes, are especially prized by collectors. Combine that with the historical significance of the quarter and the nostalgia of the era, and you've got a recipe for a highly valuable coin. Now, before you rush to your coin jar or rummage through your collection, remember that finding a coin of this caliber is rare. But that's what makes the world of numismatics so thrilling. You never know when you might stumble upon a hidden gem. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the fascinating story of the 1986p Liberty quarter dollar. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more exciting stories about the coins you might already have in your possession. Who knows? Your next treasure could be hiding in plain sight. Until next time, happy collecting!